So, if you've never used Photoshop before, you are a total beginner and you want to take your section from something like this to something like that, you found the right place. Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So in this tutorial, we're gonna see how to render a section in Photoshop. And it doesn't matter if you've never used Photoshop before, you have no idea how Photoshop works. I'm gonna walk you through it step by step. So first of all, we're gonna open Photoshop, then go to File and click on Open and look for the section you want to render. Click on OK, and here we are. So first of all, we're gonna go and add a layer. So you go to this layer section, you click on the plus button, and here we have a new layer. This layer will work as the background for our rendering. So next we go to the paint back tool, click on it, then make sure it's white color and paint the layer. Then we're gonna hold it and drag it under our section layer. Let's rename it. Let's call it section so we don't lose it with all the coming layers. So we will go to the magic tool, press on it and start selecting. The first thing we're gonna select is the flowers to give it a color. So if you don't know how to zoom in and zoom out in Photoshop, all you do is you click on Alt and then with the scroll wheel of the mouse you zoom in and you zoom out. You basically go to the area you want to select, you click on it and it's selected. And to add another area, you just click on Shift and continue selecting. Keep doing this until you select all the floor areas. Then we will apply a light color overlay. So you go again to this layer, you click on this bottom to add an overlay. You click on it, then click on solid color, and then let's choose something like light gray so it looks a bit more aesthetic. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing for the stairs. So same thing, you go to the magic tool, you press on it. Just don't forget to select your section layer on the layer tab. And then with the same process, just select all the stairs. Then what we're gonna do is we will add these stairs to the previous layer we already have. So you just click on the move tool, you go to the layer we've already created and you just click on this black square. Then once again you go to the bucket paint tool, you click on it and then you just click on your selected areas. Just make sure the color is white and then press on the selected areas. To deselect, you just press on Ctrl D. Okay, I'll show you another trick. So if by mistake you selected an area that you don't need, to remove it, you just need to reselect it. Make sure the color is black. And then with the paint bucket, click on this area and it's removed from your layer. So I didn't make a mistake. I don't need to remove it. Just press on Ctrl Z to undo the move. I'll do the same thing with the rest of the areas, the beams, and add them to the layer. So now we're gonna work with our doors. So for the doors, I'll use a texture. I'm not gonna use the magic tool to select. Instead, I will use the rectangle tool. So you just press on it and start selecting your doors. Just draw a rectangle with the limits of your doors. Don't forget to press Shift to add new layers. So I'll do the same process with all the doors we have. Then again, we're gonna apply a texture overlay. So you go to the same button, you click on it, and you click on pattern. And in patterns, as you see, I don't have any patterns yet. I'll show you how to add. These are the patterns that comes with Photoshop. I don't need them. So let's just press OK and I'll show you how to add a new pattern. So we'll go to Pinterest and look for some wood pattern to add. Just write wood texture on the search tab and we'll choose something that we like. Well, I think this looks good. Let's just download it. Click on download the image. Then we go back to Photoshop, click on File, Open, and select our photo. And here we'll go to Edit and click on Define Pattern. You can name it. Just name it like wood and click on OK. Let's go back to our file. Press on our layer, then press twice here on this square. So you can open the settings. And from here, we're gonna choose our pattern. Click on it. Then here you have the scale. You can change it until you find something that you think is suitable. For me, that's good. Press on OK. Now let's go to the opacity and lower it so it looks more beautiful. Yeah, I think that looks better. I'll just select the rest of the doors and add it to this layer. And we're done. Now I'm gonna work with this. So again, I'm gonna select the shapes. I'll just drag our section on top of the other layers. I'll click on it and start selecting the shapes. I'll go through the same process. Just select it and apply an overlay color. Light gray, that looks good for me, and click on OK. So next we're gonna work with the walls. So again, I'm gonna select all the walls and then add a color overlay. And since it's the same process, I'm gonna just speed video so I don't waste your time, guys. So once again, I just went to Pinterest, I looked for a texture and then I applied it. Change the scale, lower the opacity, and here we have a nice texture. Now I'm gonna do exactly the same thing with the interior walls. But here I will lower the opacity furthermore so it looks better. Yeah, something like that will definitely work. Now I will go and work with my elevator. So I'm gonna just select it and again add a color overlay. I guess I like the light gray so much, so I'm using it a lot. It looks a bit aesthetic, so it looks better. Same thing for the rest of the shapes. I'm gonna just go and add new texture and then use it, just like I taught you earlier on this video. I guess I will need to adjust the size of the canvas a bit, so you go to image and choose canvas size, and here you can change the height and the width. I guess I'm fine with 4000 for both the height and the width. Now we'll need again to adjust our layer, the background layer. So let's go ahead and delete it and then create a new one and apply the white color to it. So now I'm gonna work with the ground. So I'll just again go to Pinterest, type ground texture, and then I'll look for something aesthetic. So now we go to our image and drag it into Photoshop. And then we'll just try to adjust it so it fits our design. So if you want to change only the height or the width or the image, you just click on Shift. So you are free to play around with your image the way you want. So click on Shift and then let's try to change the height and to something that looks nice. Now we're gonna select the ground. Just use the rectangle selection tool and select your ground, and we'll add a mask. So you go to your photo, you select it, and then you click on the mask button. You can rename it. Let's name it ground. For the sky, I'll do the same exact process. So I'll just again go to Pinterest and look for sky. And then just drag the photo into my file. Again, let's adjust it. Click on Shift and adjust the height. And now here we will select our building using the rectangle tool. We will also select the ground with the building. Now we will go to select and choose inverse selection. So it selects the sky instead of our building and the ground. Just make sure to select the whole building. Again, you go to your photo, you select it, and then you press on the mask. Lower the opacity to get something more beautiful, and here you go. Again, I'll just go to Pinterest and look for some clouds. Go to Photoshop file, open, and choose our image. Then we'll go to select and choose color range. And then we'll just press on the area we want to delete. Just press on the white and click on OK. And then hit delete on your keyboard. Here we have our cloud. Just click on it and press Ctrl C to copy it. Go to our file and then press Ctrl V to paste it. So to change its size, just press Ctrl plus T on your keyboard. Then just play with its size the way you want. And let's lower the opacity and hit OK. To copy it, just click on it and then press Alt on the keyboard, hold it and drag it. Then I'll do the same thing with these trees. I'll just go to File, Open, choose our pick. Then I'll go to Select, Color Range, and then choose the white. Click on OK, then hit the Delete key on your keyboard. And paste it to your file. Make a copy to add it to the other side. So as you see, it's on top of my drawing, so I'm not just select it and drag it under the rest of the layers, so it doesn't bother me. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. I like how it blends with our sky. That looks nice. And again, I'm gonna do the same thing with the birds. I'm gonna just go to open and then choose my pic. I just found all those pics on Pinterest. Again, choose color range and select the area I wanna delete. Click on it and hit the delete key on your keyboard. And again, just copy it and paste it to your file. You can just play with it and make another copy and just place it where you want. So again, to change the size, you just click on Ctrl T on your keyboard and you can play with the size however you want. Don't forget to save your drawing. Just click on Ctrl S and it will save it. So I'm gonna just work with some few more details. I'm gonna just go and select these other shapes, add an overlay color. I will just select my section layer and then drag it to the top of all the other layers. So I'm gonna just go and add a few more details. So I'll select those. I'll select the rest of the areas. Apply a color overlay. Just a very light one. I'll do again the same thing with those exterior shapes. Apply a color overlay. And here we are done with our section. So now to save it, you just click on File, Save a Copy, choose PNG, let's rename it, and then click on Save. So here I always choose the smallest file size with the slowest saving and hit OK. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that was useful. If you want any other tutorials like this, just let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, take care and have a great day.